white army that claims to be civilians and who have decided to take up arms against the government must go back to their respective homes and barracks before we take any action, because we don't want later people to come and say the government is killing the civilians. Meanwhile, the civilians have killed the army. Despite all this, I'm appealing from here to all the white army who claim to be civilians to go back to their home areas and to their locks. Any civilian who is in the military zone and refusing to leave that military zone will be treated accordingly. So, the white army is advised, seriously advised, to vacate those places and go back home. The white army is advised, seriously advised, to vacate those places and go back home. The white army is advised to vacate Nasir as of now, and all their assembly areas of the display of the white army must be cleared. If you continue to stay in those areas, then you are a negative force. You are a negative force, and the necessary force will be used against you. This is a message to the white army and all others who have got other names. For the Nas Defense Force, which is now a declared rebellion, we will deal with them accordingly.
Gwa jarwa shaling omen Michael Makwilo is chajalat ka kor kamisha gad no risha kanak re which kanasir enjo rana shaling wasame mi jiram dong ling mandan laden point in Makwilo she war she declare against Nuer people jinma taught jinma dit she Michael Makwilo she right much chajalat jen she genocide she carried out last night chim ngay kona shagat chakanek ne cho jandang rikel so jen sha nen tama lara jeno ne den kon te la jejen bor e ka jen de go kulo ne kaka nuare dorien an go ko lara no to e guardian and point den Michael Makwilo men bi anga jenen akuma kirma yadit men changok ka jang mugone chi kuma jang let ken medan ikan lat ke 2013 jelle roden tama mugu yenen go ina me ngoda ka politic na me ethnic cleansing jellet ke kuma kirma yadi de mona ano di yenen ka tindi alan let ken ka anwo shikan goro to ite ka malbe ben ala win mon jagwinni denga kel Michael Makwilo she cluster bomb used against innocent civilians, especially children. The children neck is a children killer. Michael Makwilo. Aramu ba chen katin jere kon let kana kanwara. Na kanwara according to Ika Army. Kene jere ted to quick kot to tell kot young telekot. Dinka all of them they are ungodly people. Need to tell sympathy. Who can kabom ni olara jeto imwa jik ichiga rebel against the government. Yenne itila jikuma tuku yala mangana. Chika kuma ko can a part nijan, but a party dinka government. What they're doing right now, Jendan you can get 2013 me ko can target Nuer. Right now they're targeting Nuer people, especially kon again yen kijuba. Anyote naka Nuer chicken Nuer nak tiang. Wan keneke ka cluster bomb. Ka general jeno to chine why am chine jako bia jena ngwado mo mishi ajene by we deal with you accordingly. He's a killer. Anjen anag Nuer. May God watch over you. I wish if you can reach 2026. This should be the end of your regime. Michael Makwilo katin jel kon le kan Nuer. Naiti chick a human being. They are not human. They have no sympathy at all. Chicken dear con let can. They only care about their power. Pathetic creature. jang kon la kon right ni no jang te commission so ngaje je gwa en go reng ma char ka bona spele mayo tela mal be menno mala roda ka juba che jen ko tama ala which juba chete pin jane che pin Uganda no go Uganda ko tele no rumbu tok rabi lebre wiki juba mitera mu chitum no roda ano be jang ke dinka government be destroy kata neka nuerema innocent children been crying since 2013 innocent people elders women children ke kuma kirma yadit kuma jane tinakkan nuere kwa targan nuere just lo mi jire lon kachu kuin mon te janen milla larkeno nuere shika fail iteka nyae kuma jana kuma salpa kirma yadit kana makwelwet shika nuere jagala de talot ko nuere kokana rodien nuere konte ke juba kokana rodien rei kuma ka kirma yadit kokana ro shika nuere ka nuere yone de ne kunak tienten ka de wati ka long atina ka position jang me kan lat ke 2013 je chu chayu parwech ne di ti chiga ne to go regime dien should come to an end manoko nela biga yig ben pin biga yig ben pin biga nyura ga tariken ko den kon let ken ke chiga beyond humanity in human ken ke lay nugu yenta ku ka reason ka je roger right ke aka right ke ne to mo let like they don't live in this world let she chak che chiga ko chakam nakan ga teleka sympathy nget kan longa dan te ke nget kan yuri kan ga kuel dung chi kum Uganda dio je juba no mo che thong wal kum Uganda kan kwala yuzo kan kul kan akaram kirma yadi tenen tama shangan wo gwarin we tok kuma kirma yadi jen pana kuma jana ne di dier ka ne di nakan ka ne di civilian the lano unified force be icha war cha declare kan politician ko nentere we ka South Sudan ti laro itigen ka bon kan yal all of them they are fake tell me let kana ka kum South Sudan there's nothing tell me let kana kana they don't care about their food what they can eat they don't care about public they don't care about South Sudan people nobody care about South Sudan people these are greedy leader how many years taken ka power sing development teleje ajen kono siang na kana tel mala dien changa kel international community right now cha jaling no chicken kimakwilwet chicken gat chicken ganak it is ordered right now it's ordered out you know cha janga di wimon Nuer should be rescued. Nuer they can look ko tema chaka gay a man politician again kadwal kan ku yon den ko na kam ga ke a jang Michael makuei jen ba Nuer nak re wini ken ko apel juba just point nasar karwada mukwa banke nasar de kan ngulo lelten the simple occupying land tele dorm de kan lel chaken but this is a dorm na kan Nuer shio to take a wam cha penten but that is the government of dinka though de kon gwiche no tena kan long teram te long ten so long Nuer no mi shio kula catch the agenda on long chu Nuer kon de kum shi fail reng ma charcha tonga ja to lord nobody will come up nobody binyen ka jang ko jang churdin churlaka chikuru shudeka chicken ganongan kuma Uganda tijur kane kayo of course kum Uganda chicken binyen ganware cause tel chicken korji and long bad bu use drone bu use cluster bomb and cluster bomb is what is helping them kuga la right ka korom chi ka 21 people nak de la children Nuer mala yen linga la tok de yera mat dor mi shan Nuer telot la tok niyo de right ka raja me abe abrana linga no e rama me right human being e che ya moch e ngule yena moka war zone dor neit la dorien neit che kanong ka ko de karwich 2025 should be the end of them mo na ka tok ko ne almela ti ala ka linga la tok these people should be gone de karudin je wo so agenda na gorno de nywa yena mane jadlo am dilo man Michael makuei weza Michael makuei te declare already no nakan wara jene len me tiang jene len na chang dar tet na loy diena no no re wi ke juba chicken deer ke tek no wara man and they don't care at all no wara take it la ting ni ken la ten loy dien michigan wari kana nak but when your time come your people will see